Hey you guys, it's Shundara. What is up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you thumbs up this video and make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. And in today's video, we will be trying VaniCream's Gentle Facial Cleanser. So I'm really excited to try this cleanser. 8 ounces of this cleanser will run you $8.99 depending on where you go. I've seen it at Target, Walgreens. I haven't seen it at Walmart yet. Hopefully one day Walmart will sell it. The most I've actually seen this cleanser for is $10, and that's if you buy it on Amazon or eBay. With that being said, we are going to put this cleanser to the test to see is it worth your hard-earned $10, because $10 is a lot of money. With that being said, let's go ahead and swatch this product. This is what it just squirted out. No pun intended. But here is the cleanser. That is what it looks like. It sort of has this shimmer to it. Yeah, but that's what it looks like. The shimmer is from the mica. So mica is an ingredient in this cleanser. And that's what it looks like. You guys see the shimmer? And all that glitters is gold. Let's go ahead and smell the product. It is unscented, but from all the products mixing together in formulation, it has a off scent of very glue based, very nail polish tease. Is giving me a lot of glue, real glue like very like strong glue, like, you know, like wood glue, not Elmer's glue. This is like, woo, like a real strong wood glue. You know what it smells like? Y'all know caulking, like the caulking from Home Depot, or like when you caulk your bathrooms. That is exactly what this smells like. I can't do that. It's unscented, but you just get like caulking vibes from it. I don't know why. Okay, so my face is wet. We can all see that clearly, water everywhere. Let's go ahead and put the product on my face. I am gonna do 2 pumps and then put it on my face. So 1 and 2. Yeah, I mean, it really smelled like caulking, y'all. Like really caulking vibes all the way. Side note, when we get to talking about this, I can already tell you after this review, VaniCream is going to be the next popular thing on YouTube. I like feel it in my blood. Watch after this video, y'all see everybody else reviewing it or saying something about it. Just thank me. Thank me, because I can already feel it coming for VaniCream, honey. But we're going to talk about that later. With that being said, this is what it looks like. Oh my God, let me autofocus the camera. Hold on, let me autofocus so you guys can see. You guys see that lather? Oh my God, look at this. Let me turn the light down. Look at this lather. Oh my God, this lather is amazing. Okay, bam, bam. I'm gonna get my neck real good. And this was just with 2 pumps, you guys. Seriously, 2 pumps. And this got my whole face. Side note, let me just say this. It just feels really like a soft cleanser. Like I don't feel my skin stripping or anything like this. And I am really surprised because the ingredient list is boring and has mica in it. Got to say. Okay, you guys, so I rinsed my face. I am going to go ahead and dry my face, and then we are going to do a close-up. So be prepared for this face to be in your face. Okay, you guys, so here is my cheek. Here is my other cheek. Let me turn the light down just a little bit. There we have it. Here's my chin. Here is my nose. And here is my big old forehead and my cheek and my other cheek again. Let me look in the mirror. The handy dandy mirror. It's a little drying, not irritating, just a little drying. And I just think that depends on whatever climate you live in. And y'all know I live in this dry, arid climate. So, I mean, we already at 105 degrees dry right now. I'm just letting y'all know we at 102 here in Arizona. But that's about it. So you know what? Let's talk about it. Okay, you guys, let's talk about VaniCream's Gentle Facial Cleanser, free of dyes, fragrance, masking fragrance, lanolin and parabens, formaldehyde, and other preservatives cleanser. I already said it when I was scrubbing, but you know, washing, and I'm gonna say it now. Next big thing on YouTube. I can feel it coming. Once this video goes up, it may not be a few weeks from now, it may not be days from now, but I guarantee you in a few months, we'll see other YouTubers reviewing VaniCream or talking about it, because this cleanser is, I love this cleanser. I just gave it a little bit of a con, which was because it was drying. And it is drying to certain skin types. It's not perfect. No cleanser is not going to be drying unless it's a hydrating cleanser. This is not a hydrating cleanser. It's a gentle skin cleanser, which means it's going to be drying, but it's not going to strip your skin the way other cleansers would. I love this cleanser so much. Literally days when we have a nice, good, I would say, non-drying arid day here in the desert, this cleanser will make my skin literally feel like butter, like really soft, really gentle. It doesn't have like a film on my face, like, you know, like a fake film. I don't feel that on my face when I use this cleanser. My skin doesn't feel tight. It doesn't feel irritated. I don't feel like my skin is being stripped of any oils. It removes my makeup easily. I would say I've removed makeup, normal makeup, not a beat face, but like normal makeup, with about 2 washes of this cleanser. And this cleanser lasts a long time. I bought this about 2 months ago, and I am about right here with this cleanser. I find myself using this cleanser more often, specifically when I'm testing other cleansers and I feel like they irritate my skin. I definitely go to this cleanser because I like the fact that it cleanses your face and it doesn't dry your skin out, and it's like your skin feels clean. It's not like a hydrating cleanser. If you don't care for hydrating cleansers but you want a gentle skin cleanser, I think you will love this cleanser. If you've tried Cetaphil, CeraVe, Neutrogena, and you did not like their cleansers at all, you don't understand the hype. You don't get the hype. You don't get the hype for Simple to Kind, all those other cleansers. VaniCream is where you want to go. I really think you will love this cleanser. It's geared for people with sensitive skin, but I think all skincare types can use it, especially if you're looking to get a good clean without over drying and you just don't like hydrating cleansers. If you live in a humid climate, I'm jealous of you already. I can't wait to use this during monsoon season. When we get a little moisture in the air and I start lathering my face and it starts feeling like butter, honey, with this cleanser. Because right after I rinse my face off every time with this cleanser, my skin feels like butter. Like right now, my skin is smooth. There's barely no drying. I also like the fact, and I use this cleanser with my other steps in my skincare routine. When I start adding toners and essence and serums and moisturizers, honey, goes on my skin flawless. I really love this cleanser so much. I think this cleanser is really a great cleanser that I don't understand why it doesn't get much hype. That's why I'm telling you right now, you're gonna start seeing a lot of hype around this cleanser, because VaniCream, this is an amazing product. This is, I would say this cleanser is much better than the other brands cleansers. That's all I'm gonna say. Now with that being said, I do want to say this because, you know, I don't want to hype it up and, you know, give it all this shine. I gotta humble you, VaniCream Gentle Skin Cleanser. For those who do care, I personally don't see an issue with it because I'm a little bit fair and balanced. This does have mica in it. If you have issues with mica in your skincare, you don't care for that, then this may not be the cleanser for you. I will say that. Other than that, I see no problem with it. I think it's wonderful, but the mica could be an issue to some people. The mica gives it that beautiful little shimmer color to it. That's what micas do. Mica is just a little bit of coloring. That may be an issue to some people. For me personally, I don't see it as an issue. It hasn't irritated my skin. I've been using this for a few months now. I've been using it. I've been alternating between products, but I definitely, when I feel like a product has really irritated my skin, has given me some sort of texture, I definitely run back to this product more often than I do other products, like, you know, the other brands, you know, the other drugstore brands. With that being said, oh, I also want to mention this about this product. I used it with high-end skincare and it worked great. Now, some drugstore skincare don't like mixing with high-end skincare, but this actually did well, which was really shocking to me. I actually used this in my SK2 Essence, and oh my God, SK2 had no problem with this, so I was really happy with that. And SK2 is expensive. So with that being said, if you're a person who likes to mix drugstore and high-end or like middle range in skincare, this will not give you any problems. In my personal opinion, it hasn't given me a problem yet, and I've mixed it with a lot. Tatcha, La Mer. I've just been mixing it because I just wanted to see if it was as good as I felt it was. And I have to say, it works well with a lot of skincare products from high-end and low-end brands. With that being said, those are my thoughts on this product. Oh, and I also want to say this, works well with the Ordinary's products as well. Been using a couple of Ordinary's products with this cleanser. Loves them. So I just want to give y'all a little bit of tips just in case y'all curious of what to mix it with and what not. Not mix it literally, but you know, layer, cleanse, and wash. A lot of products go well with this, and you should not, in my personal opinion, really have any breakouts unless the something wrong with your other products. With that being said, those are my thoughts. I know it was a little loud, a little rambly, but I was excited to try this product with you guys. With that being said, I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you thumbs up this video, and make sure you're following me on my social media sites. I love you guys so much. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye, you guys. Mwah.